Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for Today I have something good for your Samsung Galaxy Note 8, S8 and S8 Plus. What is this? This is a Samsung beautiful Galaxy, beautiful wallpapers. Okay, this is QHD wallpaper that I have for you. Under this video, the link is here. You can download this beautiful wallpaper and let me to show you what you will see into QHD wallpaper. QHD wallpaper is here. Wonderful. This is the first. Look at that. Great. The second. Wow. Wonderful. After. Look at that, bro. Amazing. Look at again. Wow. This is nice. What do you think about this? Amazing. There are so much wallpapers into that you can discover like this. Wow. Look at that. This is a QHD wallpaper. Wow, look at that. This is 4K resolution. Beautiful. Now, let's select this like my lock screen wallpaper. Before doing this, let me show you what on my lock screen. Look at that. Beautiful. This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus home. I have make a video to show you this, and as you can see, this is multi wallpaper. Look at that. Amazing. Ooh, beautiful. I like it. Change it again. Wow, from S8 Plus. No, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, select this beautiful wallpaper and put on your beautiful lock screen. Set as a wallpaper and now you can click on home screen and look at that, bro. Look at that. Wow, this is amazing. It's so nice and so beautiful. What do you think? Great. Okay, you can click on motion or do this, set as wallpaper on home screen. Now look at that, bro. Look at that. This is wow. It's so nice. It's so very nice. What do you think? Wow, this 4K videos is amazing. I like it. Can you see this? This is great. Look at that, bro. This is QHD wallpaper. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. Do this. Ooh, great. I like it. I like it. Let's go. Let's select another wallpaper for your lock screen. For example, you can select this for your lock screen. Set as a lock screen. Ooh, Look at that, bro. Look at that. What do you think? Look at. Wow. Okay. Set as wallpaper. And let's see on the lock screen. Ooh. Great. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Good. Good. Not bad, bro. I like it. Wow. This is great. Let me show you another wallpapers. Okay, let's do it. The base. Wow. Great. Wonderful. As you can see, this is a Samsung One UE. Amazing. And you have many things into. Beautiful. Wow. Great. So nice. And this is great. Go to base. Wow. To unlock your phone. And let's find another wallpaper. Look at that. Great, not bad. What else? This is a plane. Wow. Great. This is amazing, bro. Amazing. Wow. Look at that. It's so nice and so beautiful. What else? Look at that. Wow, this is great. Very great. Wow. Not bad. Oh, this is a street. You will like this more for on your beautiful lock your home screen. Let's test this. Set as wallpaper, home screen, and wow, look at that. Wow. Get ready. Set as wallpaper. Wow. What do you think? This is nice. Don't forget to download this wallpaper under this video. The link is here in the description. Look at under. Ooh, beautiful. This is great. Nice, very nice. It's a beautiful application edge. Nice. Great. Let's test another. Gallery. Ooh, you will like this for your lock screen. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Wow, this is so amazing, bro. Can you see this? This is great. This is so great. Okay, select like your beautiful wallpaper. Get ready. Set as home screen, lock screen wallpaper. Ooh, this is a real QHD wallpaper. Almost 4K wallpapers. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, look at what you can do. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, lock screen. Ooh. Ah, what's wrong with you? This is amazing. Can you see this? Can you see this, bro? This is amazing, bro. It's amazing. Wow. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that, bro. I like it so much. I like this. This is unbelievable. Can you see this? Have you seen this? Oh, so great. So beautiful and so nice. Okay, unlock your phone. Wonderful. And let's try another wallpaper. Look at this wallpaper. Look at that. Okay, let's select on for your beautiful home screen. Look at that now. Look at, okay, let's try this. And set as wallpaper. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this, bro? This is unbelievable. This is amazing. It's so wow, so nice. And when you move, look at that. It's moving. Oh, it's moving. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Can you see this? Can you see this, bro? Can you see this, brothers? This is so nice. It's so great. I like this, bro. I like this. Okay. Let's see again. Another. Okay, for not bad. Not. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, set as wallpaper, lock screen. Ooh, look at that. Okay, already. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Can you see something? Wow. Look at. Wow. This is so sophisticated. This is one of the sophisticated wallpaper that I never seen. Look at that. Great. Nice. Wonderful. Okay. Do you remember this wallpaper? Yeah. Look at that. Do you remember this wallpaper? Let's see the size again. Double click. Look at that. Okay. This is QHD wallpaper. Let's see the size of this also. Okay, QHD wallpaper again. QHD. What else? Ooh, there's someone here. Where you can put this wallpaper, bro? Where? Where? Okay, let's put this wallpaper on Maya lock screen. Wow, this is great. Okay, yeah, good. Good. Okay. Set our wallpaper. Lock screen. Ooh. What do you think? I think that is great. It's beautiful. What do you think about this? Say to me what you think about all of this, and get ready for the next videos. I like more of this. Ooh, look at that. This is great. Keyboard. Oh, very nice. Last screen. Oh, your beautiful control. Your beautiful panels. This is great, and I like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for more videos like that. I love you so much. Wow, this is unbelievable. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today. Wow, like and share. Beautiful.